All right, next up, Bowman Chrome 6-boxer. Dual triple box. 3 HTAs and 3 hobbies. These were teams. There they are. Yeah, Damas was really good, but like everybody else, didn't get any hits against the Brewers at all. Or against the Braves at all. But he, since the Brewers got him, he's been definitely an all-star level player. He doesn't have all the good teams. Pete Kostler's got the Dodgers. Yeah. Yeah, their pitching was always really good, and then he carried the offense for a while. Yeah, and Randonix and JP got the Pirates and Padres. He did get the Cubs and the Rays, 2 of the better teams. Yeah, I wonder if if his back is just in a place where he can't do it anymore. Cap beta 299. That has a line up the middle that may not be damaged. I don't know. I think you might actually be able to buff that out if you're got a microfiber. Maciel. JP's Twins. Base auto. Toglia. That also has the little streak up the middle. Thanos, what's up? How's it going? Helps pass the time anyway, huh? Jaron Duran. Shimmer. Yeah, when I worked at the paper, I worked from 4 to midnight. So I was always watching breaks at work. Back in the day. Yeah, you guys work on Fridays? Our little office building here, there's never anybody in the parking lot on Friday. You'd think every Friday was Christmas. David Garcia. Maybe David Garcia. I don't know where he's from. To $4.99. Alex 916. He's from the Dominican Republic. It probably is David Garcia. Yeah. No mailing it in for Steve Nebraska. Beltre first blue. 1 second. Somebody here. Just a delivery. When the hype train comes, you got to Break out the wallet, Red Raider. Oh yeah, you finished in the money this week, Thanos? Who'd you get? Who'd you buy? The Tigers. Hoping for a Christian Santana. Let's get you one right here. First HTA. Oh, Jorge Feliz. George Feliz. Orange Wave to 25. Neil. Brian Ramos. Not bad. Tim. And Angel Rondon. Refractor to 499. Cool breeze. I don't have a single Jordan Love card, Red Raider. My football collection is actually basically nothing. I have a few Herberts because I love Herbert. I have a few Rodgers cards, but nothing crazy. A couple of cheaper rookies. But I don't have like any other. I have no Love. I don't have any. Got no Love. I don't have any like Adams or anything like that. Probably a good idea. What's like an optic, just an optic base Love going for nowadays? Or a Prism even. That's the opposite of what I want to do. Yeah. Wow, really? Yeah, might be a good idea to pick a couple up just in case. What is like an Origins auto or like an on card? What's another decent on card autograph? Pen Pals or Origins or something like that. Are they like $100? Colmenara's base. Contenders are like 300. Yeah, I still wouldn't do that. What is an optic hollow? Milcar Perez. Neil. Hey, Brian, how's it going? Hernandez base. Yeah, that price doesn't seem crazy to me, but there's a lot of blue non-auto stuff. Malvin Valdez. Cincinnati Rufus. First Bowman blue. That's nice. Very cool. Wow. So the stuff at the top end is still a lot. Arozarena, Costa base. Oh yeah, Doc? Okay. Is that card worth a lot? I have some Acuna, but I don't know if I have any Acuna that you wouldn't already have. Are you a vintage guy, Doc? Do you buy like Hank Aaron's and stuff? Oh, yeah, I could find something for that, I bet. Tyler Freeman Gold Shimmer. Crackle Auto. Jagger Haynes to $2.99. JP. Luis Rodriguez base. He's got the moves like Haynes. I got where you were coming from. I liked it. Jeez. Steve Nebraska, look away. Starlin Aguilar. Neil, you're killing it with the Mariners. Jordy Barley. JP. And another Angel Rondon. Didn't we just have him in the last box? To 99. What's up, UCCF? Ryan and Carey. J&G. Yeah, big WWE Chrome Day. No, Sam will be in for the Chrome, I think. Perdomo rookie to 150. It's all blue, non-auto stuff. That's nice. Sam and I may have indulged a bit last night. He's feeling a bit worse for wear this morning. And he's been working all morning. He'll be in. Adley to 99. Anamorphic. Oh, I'm fine, UCCF. I am the chaperone. Luis Rodriguez. Yeah, even I feel it a lot more than I used to, generally. It's helped I've been staying away from beer. Josh Winkowski. Perka. Isn't it amazing how much different it is when you're 20 than when you're, even when you're 30? Can't even imagine 40. Oh, weird. Casey Mize to 150, rookie. And a Heriberto Hernandez prime signatures to 50. Tim's Rays. Mostly peyote, UCCF. think that's got to be what he means. Pineda and Leon base. Yeah, exactly. Interesting mini box there. K-Bear. K-Bert? I always forget. Anyway. Dodger. Fall League Flashbacks Relic. P. Kostler. One more HTA. The Joshua Tree Hilton. Shaylin Polanco. Randonix. Not bad. Tyler Gentry base. JP. And a Milkar Perez Gold Shimmer. Neil. Get these in order here. All right, autographs. We had the George Feliz to 25 and the Milkar to 50. A couple of Mariners low-numbered autos. Rondon. Haynes. Another Rondon. Garcia. Base of Maciel, Shaylin Polanco, Gentry, Aguilar, Ramos, Barley, Perez, Winkowski, and the prime signatures to 50 of Heriberto Hernandez. Numbered stuff. These are not in order. We got a lot of blue non-auto stuff. Mize, Rutschman to 99, Perdomo to 150, Freeman to 50, Rosarena, Valdez first, Beltre first, blue, Toglia, and Giddy Cape. Oh yeah, we had the relic too. K-Bear Ruiz.